What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 2nd of December. We're taking a look at Moonwell this morning. This will be ticker symbol WELLUSD, Moonwell / United States dollar, getting a pretty aggressive move to the downside. Sunday night, Monday morning early, we have Bitcoin heading lower, finding some resistance at the 96 level. Let's take a look here at the charts for Moonwell. This is the data from Coinbase. We have the price breaking below 65.6, 64.83, which was a level of two levels of support for the 1st of December. We're heading lower. Next level below the market, guys, as potential support, 54.59 for Moonwell here. And that could be a higher low. So right now we have this pullback, lower high, and so far this is a higher low. Even if it goes all the way down here to 549 or 5459, that would still be a higher low, and then the trend can continue. But right now we're falling pretty aggressively, and the next major level I have on my chart, 0.54594 support. Got a comment in there, you're spreading FUD, etc. I mean, that's not my intentions, guys. I'm just trying to walk through, and it's probably what I do in every video. The best case, the worst case, or the bullish and the bearish scenario. So you're not caught off guard on either side or the other. If I was just saying, I'm looking for Moonwell to blast off to the upside, blast off to the upside, blast off to the upside, and it does what it's been doing, which is pulling back, support's failing, etc., that wouldn't make any sense. I'd be completely wrong, and I wouldn't be telling the other half of the story, which is, if that doesn't happen, you can look for this. So that's what I do here. That's what I try to do my best anyways. And anyways, as the pullback takes place here, again, we're looking for, if we move down close to this 54.59, I would look for support there. If the market continues, let's say the market recovers today, the price could have a hard time getting back above 64.83 and 65.6. That's the white and the yellow line there. Since it's now above the market, it can act as a level of resistance, a ceiling of resistance. It would be good to see if this had a big, large candle wick and we closed back above 656. That would be a successful test of this area as support. You see over here, this big candle wick here on the 3rd, it traded all the way down close to 656, but it actually closed above 72463. That's a solid support. And this candle could do that. If Bitcoin reverses today, we could see this have a big, large candle wick, and then we close above 656. That would be quite bullish, and that would show that those two levels are market support. And more importantly, this area right here, as it was resistance, it broke out to the upside right here. It got back tested again, really got tested on the 29th, but it failed today. So if it recovers, it'll be a successful back test and support, and that would more than likely lead to a further upside move. We have many hours throughout the day to see if that takes place or not. That's what I have here from Moonwell, guys. Not Moonboy stuff. Not saying it's going to crash. I'm just saying, here's the reality, these two levels. Here's the potential support below the market. If we do recover here, that could lead to further upside. As always, guys, feel free, let me know your thoughts down in the comments on Moonwell. I wish the best for everybody. I don't hope anybody gets hurt financially here in these markets. But, I just try to be a realist, explaining, look, to the upside and to the downside, so nobody's caught off guard. And, none of that, you said this, you said that kind of stuff here. Emotions run high in these markets when people expect things that don't unfold, and especially if they have a lot of money on the line, which is the case sometimes. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. All right. So BTC USD 95,150. It's down $2,100 here. We're still battling the 96,626.83 level. We have a lower high that took place on the 29th, and we're trading here. We still have a higher low. We didn't take out the lows from the 27th yet, or excuse me, from the 26th yet. If that takes place, that would be a concern. But anywhere in here, this market could bounce. We just have to retake the 96,626, get a solid close above it, and we could head higher. If you recall back a couple years ago when Bitcoin topped out just under 20,000, let's keep in mind we're just under 100. So, is the top in? Time will tell. I'm starting to see, like I said, I think I mentioned it in this video, starting to see some things on YouTube that are slightly euphoric. People calling for things, etc. And sometimes that happens close, or if not, when the top is already in. So anyways, we'll see. Time will tell if that is the case or not. Again, we want to see this low hold here on the 26th for the rally to continue, at least for the short term. We can undercut this low, trend all the way down here to the high 70s, 80s, and the market can recover and go on another huge run up there to do the 130,000 price target I have up there. Guys, thanks for watching. Discord will be out shortly. We're just trying to work out some of the kinks here, in Discord, and then we'll have that live. So we'll let you guys know. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe if you were not, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.